let's open up. Let's see. Hey guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. I usually do makeup and beauty related videos, reviews, swatches, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle videos. By the way, I only use vegan and cruelty-free products at least for the last few years, so if you check in my new video, guaranteed the product is vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, but as been said, let's jump to this video. I got sent the new Mina lippies, which I'm super excited about and super grateful. Got a new formula, LongWear Lipsticks. This product is not new to me. I mean the older version, the older formula, because apparently this is a brand new formula. These ones, what they say about it is 12-hour long wearing formula, matte finish and transfer proof with hyaluronic acid. It just sounds amazing. So as I said, I do love Mina lippies. I have this one, is exactly the LongWear lipstick in 503, which I see we have in here, so it should be the same shade. Probably we're gonna see, but this is the older version. Let's open up. Let's see. Guys, that's from 204, the LongWear lipstick. It says it's a 12-hour long wear. I mean, that's a big statement. We're gonna do swatches on the hand. I'm gonna wear this for 12 hours to see if it's for real. Okay, you ready to try this on the lips? Let's do that. Last formula, the older formula, I mean the packaging is exactly the same, so you can't tell the difference from a packaging if it's old formula or new one. Older formula that I've really been loving and been literally wearing this lippy daily. Love that it felt creamy. It's super long lasting. I mean, you can have a drink, you have a food, and the lip is still on the lips and you literally don't need to do anything, and it didn't dry the lips. So the fact that they improved the new formula, that the last one was just perfect and I couldn't find the flaws, it's mind-blowing to me. I mean, it's just, yeah. So I'm just gonna leave it to dry a bit because, I mean, it feels super creamy on the lips. It doesn't feel drying or anything like that. Like a lot of matte LongWear lipsticks tends to dry lips a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys ever notice that, but this is what happens. So let's just give it a second more, maybe a minute or two, to see if it's gonna dry. Alright, I think we gave enough time. Okay, I zoomed in a little bit so you can see the shade better. 244. I think we gave enough time for lippy to dry. I mean, it doesn't stick my lips together. Look at that. Do you guys see? It doesn't stick. Like, it feels extremely creamy on my lips. It feels just like a lipstick. It doesn't feel like it's a LongWear lipstick, if you know what I mean. Let's try and smudge this first, by the way. I forgot about this. Hello? I'm proper smudging. I got a bit on my finger now, as you see. But, I see this? Like, I've been trying to smudge with my ring finger. Okay, a moment of truth. Let's try maybe to do a kiss. You ready, guys? Like a proper squeeze it on my lips. You guys ready? Okay, it left a little mark. It's not like 100% transfer proof, but it might be because it's still wet, maybe? I waited maybe a minute. I don't know, because I just took some pictures because I wanted to take pictures with a red lipstick before I'm gonna clean up and apply another lippy. So I took a few pictures, so maybe I kept it on for 2 minutes or so. I mean, it's not bad. For a red lipstick to be holding on the lips so strong, I think it's amazing, because red lipstick usually just, you know, cleans off, but this is amazing. Okay, let's clean this lippy off and try another shade. Alright, cleaning the lippy off was fun because it does stain a little bit, so I think we're gonna keep the black shade for last. I mean, the black shade, I don't think I can pull that off, but I'm gonna do my best. Yeah, I think you need to have a deeper skin tone to be able to pull off black lipstick. Don't you think? Just my opinion, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, let's try the shade called 362, which looks like a nice nude thing. Oh, God. Never tried this shade before, so it's new. So good. Let's do a little swatch on the hand to see the shade. Oh my god, it's like a... it's the same shade as my lips. You can't really see it. Wow. So this is how the pink shade looks, the 362. I think there's no point to do any more of the kiss test or anything because the formula must be the same, right, for all the lippies. It feels just super moisturizing. It's very weird because you don't expect the LongWear matte lipstick to be that moisturizing. It feels more like a buttery lip gloss. That's appealing. Can you again the kiss test? Left literally nothing. Yeah, let's go with 385. It looks like a nice berry shade. Ooh, I love it. Out of these shades that I tried so far, I really love this. Like normally I don't think I would ever try that kind of shade because I would think it doesn't suit me, but my god, you guys, literally loving this. What you think? Let's check that. 257. Loving this shade so far, you guys. Looks so pretty. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Okay, I take my words back. I think this is my favorite so far. I don't know now. Love the shade. Oh my god. Look a perfect nude. I thought 503 is my perfect nude, which we're gonna try next because this is the shade that I have, the older version, the older formula. And I love it, but oh my god, this one. Wow, oh my god, the shade. What do you guys think? I think this is my favorite so far. Oh my god, 257. This is the shade. Alright, let's try my favorite shade, which is 503. Because I have this older shade, I mean the packaging is the same, you can't tell the difference. That's an older one, that's a new one. I'm gonna do half and half with new one, that's an older one. So I can maybe see a difference in the formula because we improved it, although this older formula, I just love it, I can't feel it, I can, yeah, which is perfect. Okay, so a new formula. Isn't that just a perfect nude? And the old formula, which I love and use every day. Alright, the shade definitely looks the same way. Let me just zoom you in. See, shade looks exactly the same, like you can't tell the difference. Formula wise, this side slightly bit more feels oilier. Oilier in a good way, like a lip oil would be, not in a greasy way or anything like this. See, this looks matte straight away, while this still has like a little bit of shine to it. Yeah, this is my like absolute go-to nude shade. What do you guys think? Alright, you guys. Ready for black lippy? Because I don't think I am. I don't know why I'm so scared to try black lippy. I just feel like I can't pull this off. I'm gonna give it a go. So 900 LongWear lippy it is. This is. Okay. Okay, not hating this. In my head I thought it's gonna look way much worse than it looks. Plus it makes my teeth look way much whiter, so I love that part. What do you guys think? It feels amazing on the lips though. It feels actually very nice on the lips. Thumbs up for me. Formula is definitely amazing. As I said, I tried the previous one. I know that it's super long lasting. That's why I'm not even bothered to try this one for 12 hours, as we say 12-hour wear, because I know that the old formula is like literally wear it all day. It's longer than 12-hour wear. Try it and test it with food, with drinks, with everything, just on your lips for forever till you're gonna clean it out. This formula feels even more moisturizing and it's super long wear, so definitely thumbs up from me. Leave a comment down below, let me know which shade is your favorite. I mean, the 900 one is surprising for me in a good way. I wasn't expecting it to actually look as good on. Yeah, let me know what you think, which shade is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, you guys, because it's such an important part. Costs you nothing, it's totally free, and it's not painful, but it's gonna make you support me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye! Have a fantastic day, guys. For now.